Welcome to the Timesheets module. This module helps you track time spent on various activities for all of your users. This helps create various project-wise and user-wise time reports. You can track billable and non-billable time as well. Let us see the overview of timesheets. In the dashboard, go to the main menu and click on the Timesheets module. Here you can create one timesheet per user for a day. You can see 3 actions here. Firstly, you can filter all your submitted, draft and rejected timesheets by selecting My Pending. By selecting For My Approval, you can see the timesheets submitted to you by your team members for your approval. You can see all your approved timesheets in All Approved option. My Not Created option will display all the timesheets which are not yet created. Only admin user can have the permission to see the timesheets not created yet by other users in Others Not Created option. In Custom Filter, you can filter timesheets based on various criteria like user, status and date range. For example, we want to filter the submitted timesheets of a specific team member in the last 5 days. Let us see how can we get it. First, select Start Date and End Date, search and select Team Member and finally select Timesheet Status and click on Submit. Here you can see all submitted timesheets in last 5 days. Leaving the field blank in Search Users will give result for all users. The same way it works for the status field as well. You can create a new timesheet by clicking here. Now open any timesheet by double-click on it. This is the detailed view of a timesheet. Let's us see this section by section. In the header, you can see the timesheet date, and the total time of all the time records added in this timesheet. To the right, you can see 2 actions, delete and close. This delete option will delete the entire timesheet and closing this timesheet will take you back to the list view. In the subheader, you can see the thumbnails for the submitter and the approver. Clicking on the approver thumbnail will open a search field and you can change the approver from here if you want. To the right, you can see the date when this timesheet was last updated. The timesheet status, which can have values like draft, submitted, approved, auto-approved or disapproved. And the Submit button, clicking which this timesheet gets submitted to the approver. You should click this button only after you have entered all the time records. In the next section, you can see 2 tabs, Time Records and History. The Time Records tab contains all the individual time entries you added. The History tab contains all the activities taken on this timesheet. To the right, you can see 2 buttons, Add New Record and Delete. The Add New Record button allows you to create a new time entry and fill details within it. The Delete button allows you to delete any individual time record. The auto-approved status will be given by system if you have chosen to auto-approve timesheet in Settings section. Redbracket Hub, simplifying architectural processes.